It seems like every day another report is released, contradicting previous findings about the link between certain foods, drinks, products, and cancer. Back in July, Beverly Onstead took a closer look with the help of the specialists at the Florida Hospital Waterman Cancer Institute.
It seems everything has a connection to cancer, good or bad. In fact, a new study published in the online edition of the Journal of the National Cancer Institute reports that men who drank the most coffee, 6 cups or more daily, had a 60% lower risk of developing lethal prostate cancer and a 20% lower risk of developing any form of cancer. Yet, almost 30 years ago, this same lab, in a separate study, concluded that in men and women, coffee increased the risk of pancreatic cancer, which is almost always deadly. We talked with Dr. Jeffrey Brabham, an oncologist at Florida Hospital Waterman's Cancer Institute, about all the confusing information out there.
Just about anything that we do to our bodies or put in our body has been implied, at least in the lay public, with cancer one way or the other. By far the most common outside factor that we do know causes cancer is smoking. That's by far and away the most common thing that we see causing our cancers. Alcohol abuse certainly can have an impact on certain forms of cancer as well. Sun exposure as well, exposure to certain industrial chemicals. But beyond that, things like preservatives in food and the air we breathe and all these other things have really been very weakly, if not at all, associated with cancer. And it's very common to think that using your cell phone will cause cancer, or drinking diet sodas cause cancer, and that is not proven at all. Certainly some people choose to avoid those things, but there's not real strong scientific rationale behind it at this point. In general, a recommendation to live your life might be shop around the periphery of the grocery store, eat healthy fruits, vegetables, meats, avoid processed foods, quit smoking. If you smoke, reduce your alcohol intake to a minimum. When you're out in the sun, use common sense, use sunscreen, cover up in layers if you're not out in a hot environment. Those are the suggestions that will get the most mileage for avoiding cancers. And all the extreme diets and extreme avoid this and all that, I view those with a lot of skepticism, and they're a big impact on your life quality and may or may not have any benefit to you at all. Our philosophy here at Waterman is to really treat each patient as an individual and really a family member, and identify their specific needs as we design our care plan. And we're very fortunate to have a team in place that allows us to do that.
Florida Hospital Waterman Cancer Institute in Tavares is a comprehensive cancer program dedicated to providing the most advanced treatment and care to cancer patients in Central Florida. For more information about their services, follow the Confusing Cancer Story link on our homepage at yourhometownhealth.com.